Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study for college exams in less time. First, create a detailed study schedule, allocating specific time blocks for each subject. Next, identify the most important topics and prioritize those that require more of your focus. Finally, gather all your study materials, including lecture notes, textbooks, and any supplementary resources, to ensure you have everything ready before you begin. This structured approach saves valuable time. To maximize your learning, employ active recall by quizzing yourself on key concepts without looking at your notes. Try explaining complex topics aloud, as if teaching someone else. This method truly solidifies your understanding. Additionally, summarize chapters or sections in your own words to reinforce the material. These techniques are far more effective than simply rereading and will help you retain information quickly. Boost your efficiency by taking short, regular breaks, perhaps every 45 to 60 minutes, to keep your mind fresh and prevent burnout. Crucially, eliminate all distractions by turning off phone notifications and finding a quiet study environment. Finally, review past exams or practice questions to familiarize yourself with the test format and common question types. This targeted approach helps you study smarter, not just longer. For your final preparations, ensure you get adequate sleep the night before your exam. A well-rested mind performs significantly better. On exam day, eat a balanced meal to maintain steady energy levels throughout the test. Remember to check the description below for a link to great deals on smart speakers and other helpful products that can enhance your study space. These last steps are vital for peak performance and success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.